Art want to the art want.
If we can't have him, nobody not have him. Queenie, me I tell you the truth. I'm here ramp with. After you mash up my bumbo clock life, you want to live yours happily ever after. Pussy me, I go destroy you. With me and my boss, you know. You make me get licked till a week. I get back till a fool. I good things say me love liquor, lick turn me on. But here when me a blood clot say, you go sing the song where say start fuck back that ex-girl. You feel like a idiot? You feel like a pussy, you think him a clown? Pussy. me go give you back every box where you make me get blood clot. A 3 man me have in a dance hall. When me really fuck. A Dexter Daps, Cartel, and Chronicler. The same one when name Bling. The same one when name Bling. I do all Gaza fucker. Right now, I'm over the best friend of fucker. I'm over the good fucker too. Dapper fucker too. 450 fucker. Who no leave me the blood clot alone and don't make me talk people business.
Me start worry for Lisa hype that she go hurt herself physically. Or them a go do something and say something will make people a go harm them.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we'll look at Lisa hype. Once again, she's making some bold claims about what Shawty did to Vanessa Bling, how much people Vanessa Bling got involved in the industry sexually. She also sent threat to Dexter Daps and VYBZ KARTEL. She also disclosed that she and Chronicler was involved. So we have a lot to get into. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share.
Want to the art want.
If we can't have him, nobody not have him. Queenie, me I tell you the truth. We send code.
Yeah, man, you just have to scream and let it out and rebuild yourself.
Me done blood clot deal. It better come a pussy clot Jamaica. And he make me and my boss a blood clot or boy him go put out blood clot instead fuck back that ex-girl there. Him is a blood clot informer. I make me and my boss a war and want live film life well and happy. I got mash up him bumbo clot life. Hey, I got send some dopey and find blood clot girl them. I make me and my boss a war. You don't know what I go on? A demon that. A pussy there a demon. When put out that song there for? When put out that for? And start problem in my bumbo clot life and then want to live film life happy. I gotta send some dopey and find bumbo clot girl them. Watch me and him. Oh, hey boy, Chris Brown they are far away from me. Say I don't even care what my mommy say. I him my blood clot want and I him me I go get. Like me not get him. Nobody can have him. Him shall live in a miserable bumbo clot. You married to see them and you're there on video with Sherry, Rennie and Shana. She like, yeah, you see a crosses, man. Yeah, crosses, you not no value no more, hombre. You do it for hurt me and yourself you hurt, cause me not care about you. I know Dexter do that. It's not blood clot Dexter do that. You know see Dexter do them something the only time you see Dexter wine with girl and pan girl when him a perform and I make him 80,000 US and 100,000 US. And me is $1 million US them a for go start pay for see him now. When me drop that video they a fuck him for true and him a come in and my blood clot face. Hey. You don't get me dark here. Don't make nobody else call me because you can't drive no fear in me. Me been a plan for this. You never know. Hey, you not even know say you take the bait, you stop take the bait them because everything is a test. Everything is a test and everything about life is spiritual. So go and take the bait them and feel like a joke thing me attack when me say you used to beat me but beat me now. Me want me and you go in a boxing ring, dog. Hey, dog, stop. 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 Me hate you. Me hate you like Paizo. Just leave me alone, brother. Please. Free and happy. Free and happy. Free and happy. Free and happy. Me hate you, dog. I could care less who I fuck you. Me no business. Me no business.
So after she done Dexter Daps and Cartel, she start on Vanessa Bling and talk about one who she fuck out and Mavad one why Shawty bust back her head. Whole heap of things. Check this out.
Dancehall mattress? No, me on a dancehall mattress. A 3 man me have in a dancehall. When me really fuck. A Dexter Daps, Cartel and Chronic law. Three of them
Stop.
alone get my
Oh, you
pussy.
mean your
So no
pussy
matter
tight
how
and
you
good?
hear me a talk about Massacre, me and Massacre never fuck it. But me know Massacre love me. And me love Massacre. Cause me and Massacre been big for them. Me just never get for fucking.
Yeah.
So me
Yeah, name
so
about
three
history.
man me fucking a dancer. Dexter Daps, Chronic Law, and Vybz Kartel. Nobody else. Oh yeah, you want me call
Bumbleclad
out?
leaf.
You want me call out some girl we fuck the whole Gaza and Gully? Do hey, no love me, you know? Don't make me start talking the things them, you
Don't
know.
tell them nothing.
The
Let
same
them
one
go
when
ahead.
name Bling. The same one when name Bling. I the whole Gaza fuck her. Right now, I'm over the best friend of fuck her. I'm over the good a fuck her too. Dapper fuck her too. 450 fuck her. Uno leave me the blood clot alone and don't make me talk people business. Shana Chin, the whole of six fuck Shana Chin. The whole of Gaza fuck Shana Chin. The whole of blood clot. Tommy Lee them fuck Shana Chin. Dapper fuck Shana Chin. Plus she did a fuck one of them friend, one nice little handsome one. With thick and nice. She did a fuck him. Uno don't draw me out. Don't make me
I love Lisa.
talk
Have
people.
fun.
Leave me alone. Alright, cause I can back my badness, you know. I can defend myself anywhere in the world and me no need no help. Me know if I pull up and fix gun from me in a third farm. Oh, from me in a
Such a
third farm, me
badness.
a pull up a gun and a fix it back. Don't fuck on yourself. Nobody feel like a kekeke. Oh, why you think milk box are down? Why you think milk did box down, Vanessa Bling? Why you think Shorty use the blood clot back and lick her in her head back? You think Shorty could have do me so? When Shorty see me, she have to just go one side. Oh, leave out which Vanessa. Go suck your mother. Cause she come on my yard, come thief my prosperity. And right after she left my yard, she go meet Addy. A Kerry carry her upon the Gaza. Kerry will live round at the back. A father Romy did a fuck her first. Then Sean Storm start fuck her. And then Milk box her down. Then Addy start fuck her. And Shorty catch her round at the yard. And Shorty get a blood clot licking her head back with the blood clot buckle. And my father best friend Ravel she a fuck now. And she good a fuck. Me not even say good a father fuck it. 450 fuck it. Dapper fuck it. And we call more name. Uno go suck out to no mother. And 21 bad girl was proof. Cause them time them have the whole of 21 bad girl in my yard. I write song for them. Make sure them alright. And them a tell
What
me
the
for run
fuck
the
you
little
mean?
big
Lisa, sorry.
thinking
What the
girl.
fuck you mean by me a clown or Lisa? Me a girl power
You're
straight.
not
Me
clown me
alright.
out,
I get
Queenie.
more
Stop,
on the blood clot.
Queenie, stop listen to them. Stop listen to them.
When me that go through my
21 bad
problem, I
girl
saw the
was
whole of the
there
blood
when
clot.
she
Say me
come on my
mad.
yard. 21 bad girl was there when she come on my yard and them a tell me say for run her and I tell them say me nah run her.
So while Lisa was carrying on, Vybz Kartel was in London, England, with his fiancée and the Queen of Dancehall, accepting his MOBO award. And of course, Spice was the one that, called him up on stage and gave him his award. And this is his speech. Check this out.
The winner of the MOBO Impact Award is no other than the King of Dancehall, Vybz Kartel.
Hold on. MOBO, how you feeling? That's it. You know, first I gotta say, God is the greatest. Because think about this. Got locked up, did 13 years in prison. Meanwhile, I'm doing 13 years in prison, I'm diagnosed with Graves' disease. So I'm fighting to be free. I'm fighting my illness. I'm fighting to keep my family together. This is my son right here, Liquor Vibes. I'm fighting to keep the fans pleased with good music. And look how God great. Nominated for a Grammy with an album that I did in prison. Got released from prison. Got engaged to my fiance who's from England. Kiss me, baby! Well on! I'm big up the MOBO Awards to give me the award. I big up my son. Big up the Queen of Dancehall, Spice. It's a pleasure to be here. And big up all of all the British stars.
That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss an upload. I'll see you next time. Bye.